everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, then welcome. My name is Rachel. I am a disruptor in the accounting industry, and I'm disrupting what it means to be an accountant and what it feels like to have an accountant. Through my day job, I run one of the UK's fastest scaling accountancy practices, and through doing that, I get to work with over 700 business owners. Within my role, I found that very often where to start, how to start, and taking that first step can be the hardest part. So in today's video, I'm going to walk and talk you through how to take the first step in setting up your Xero account. I'm going to cover off exactly where to start, how to start, and the information that you'll need at your fingertips before you start. So without further ado, let's get stuck in. Okay, so when we land on the Xero homepage, this is the screen that you are going to see. Sometimes it does look slightly different. You can see here, they sometimes run special offers, and so that this landing page might look different, but what will always look the same are these sections up here. And so because we are creating a brand new Xero from scratch, it's the green button that says try Xero for free. Okay, so on this screen, we are going to fill in our first name, our surname, our email address, our telephone number, our location, and then we just need to tick a couple of boxes to say that we have read the privacy notice and the terms and conditions, and we either need to opt in or opt out to receiving further communications from Xero. So if you are setting up the Xero for yourself, you just put in your details. If you are setting up Xero for a client or another business, you'll need to use their details. And so it's really important to make sure you've got those to hand before you start this process. So once we fill that data in, we are going to just tick the box to confirm that we are not a robot, and then we're going to confirm the setup of the Xero. So you'll then need to verify your account with Xero, which is super straightforward. So you will receive an email to the email address that you've just used to set up, and you just need to confirm that that is your email address. So once you've hit confirm, you will receive an email to the email address that you've just used to set up your Xero. But setting up Xero literally is as simple as that. Once you activate your Xero using your email address, you'll then be taken to a series of questions, which you can use my other videos to get set up on Xero, connect your bank account, connect your bank feed, and customize your dashboard. There you have it. That is exactly how to start your Xero journey. I have tons of Xero tutorials on my YouTube channel, and so if you're looking for the next steps, I'd recommend taking a look at this video, which is how to cover 80% of Xero in under 30 minutes. If you are looking for a specific tutorial, or there's a bit of Xero that you'd like some extra support with, but you can't find a video on my channel, please let me know in the comments exactly what video you're looking for, because I use the comments to dictate the content that I create for you guys next. The very best way to support me as a creator is to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn notifications on so that you get a notification every single time I release a juicy video like this one. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I hope to see you again very soon.